Hi fellow B9 builders, James here with a new video. Today I'm going to highlight my new 3D printed treads. Sorry it's been a while since I've done a video. Not a lot of work done on a robot in the last few months that was worthy of doing any videos on. A lot of experimentation, a lot of sanding and on the torso, and then holidays, and I was out of town for a few weeks, and anyway, different things come up, so pardon for not having a video in a while. But anyway, we're back, and here's my treads. Quick rundown here, or a review of what we got here. So the tread section itself is the aluminum treads that Norman Sockwell provides. I purchased from him. Very high quality. I like them a lot. They're very, very strong, well made, and somewhat light. I mean, they are big, so they are a little bit heavy, but really nice. Also bought the side panels from him too. They go on there. I think I've done a video on those where I've used magnets to mount them on the side. And I've got it painted up now. And then, if you remember, I also printed my own wheels, tread wheels. And so you can see them here. These are 3D printed, sanded, painted up. And then we have my treads, which are also 3D printed. So what I've used is a flexible plastic filament called TPU. It's really nice, but it's really hard to print, and so it has taken me some time to get it just right, especially since part of the delay in videos was I upgraded my 3D printer and had a lot of adjustments to do to make the TPU be able to print again. I actually started the upgrade back in November, and here it is April, and I'm just now getting it to work pretty decently with a TPU. But anyway, these treads are based off the club blueprints, and I'm real pleased the way they came out. So the way I designed these, as you can see here, right here you can see. Actually, let me tilt this over a little bit more. It's easier to work with and easier to see. You can see right here, they're in sections. And so what I've got is I've designed it so that you basically just screw the sections together. A couple of reasons I've done this in sections. One, my printer bed is not big enough to print really long treads. I know some people have done the 3D printed treads, have done a spiral print and print them all at once. The problem I have with that is, again, TPU is really hard to print, and if you have any failure, then you're pretty much lost all your time and filament. And these things take many, many, many hours to print. In fact, one of the longer sections that I can print takes about 10 hours to print. And it takes 7 of those per tread, so quite a long time printing. So I decided to split it up into smaller sections so that if I have a failure, I'm not wasting as much time or filament. And the other reason I did segments on the treads is because I like the idea of if I have a tread break, I just have to unscrew the broken section and then print another section and put it in. I don't have to print the whole tread again. So anyway, I think they came out really well. So what they have is, again, I get screws that go in and screw the two sections together, as you can see there. But I also have covers that go over that. And over here on the left is a tread with the covers on. And really you can't tell where the covers are. They're pretty hard to find. So I think, you can see if you look real close, but in normal everyday looking at it, you'll never know that there's a separate cover. But they just snap right in, and what I'm eventually going to do, let's see if I can find one real quick here. Where are they? Yeah, as I said, they're hard to find. I can't find them. There it is. There's one. So see, that just basically snaps right in there. And I'm going to hot glue them in. I'll put a little dab of hot glue right in there and then put that on so it'll stick a little bit better and won't have to worry about them coming out. But again, these are flexible. So you can see up here that they rotate with no problem. You can see there that I don't have a cover on there yet on that one. But they'll rotate. Now, I don't know whether these are going to be tough enough to be able to work with actual rolling treads. I know some people like to hook up the treads so that they rotate with the rolling robot or walking robot, however you want to say it. Don't know if they'll hold up, but for a static display, these are really, really good. And so they came out well enough that I think I'm going to offer this as a kit to club members. Don't have a price on it yet, but I hope sometime this year I'll be able to provide club members with a tread kit. Real simple to put together. Be full, have instructions and everything. But I need to send a set of the treads to Norman first and make sure that they do fit his wheels, which are obviously club standard and they're aluminum. They should fit. I printed my wheels based on that design, so the tread should fit. But I wanted him to check them out and also give me opinion what he thinks are worthy of being on the club or available for club members. Anyway, so that's my treads. So I'm going to flip this over here, pause real quick, flip it over and let you see what it looks like from the front. All right, so here's the tread section from the front. Again, I don't have the covers on everywhere, but I think they came out pretty good. I don't see any, I mean, they're definitely fine for me. And I think most people will be pleased with them too. So again, hopefully sometime this year these will be available for sale. But I think it came out pretty good. So, and here it is from the side. So let me know what you think. And let me know if you're interested in possibly purchasing the treads later this year. All right, thanks for watching.